Vipassana meditation. Move your attention from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet and observe the mental impressions and energetic vibrations. Then, move your attention from the soles of your feet up to the top of your head and observe the mental impressions and energetic vibrations. Continue the same movement from top to bottom, from bottom to top. Continue. Move your attention from the head to the neck, arms, hands, and fingers. Continue the body scan through the shoulders, chest, back, and abdomen. Then proceed to the pelvis, legs, feet, and toes. Move your attention from the toes, through the feet, legs, and pelvis. Continue scanning upward through the abdomen, back, chest, and shoulders. Then continue through the fingers, hands, arms, and neck, ending at the head. Continue the same movement and sequence, gradually scanning each part of your body from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. Observe with mindful awareness, without identifying with whatever arises. Then gradually continue the body scan upward, from the soles of your feet to the top of your head. Notice all mental impressions, energetic vibrations, and changes in temperature, warmth, and coolness. Continue the Vipassana meditation by scanning the body with mindful awareness, gradually freeing yourself from suffering. Move from top to bottom. And move from bottom to top. Continue the meditation, maintaining the same sequence of movement, from top to bottom, then from bottom to top. Continue the meditation by scanning slowly from the top of your head down to your toes. Move through each part of the body gradually, noticing sensations, mental impressions, subtle vibrations, warmth, and coolness. Observe whatever arises without judging, resisting, or identifying with it. Once you reach your toes, reverse the direction. Scan upward from the toes and feet through the legs, pelvis, abdomen, back, chest, hands, arms, shoulders, and neck, until you reach the top of your head. Begin another downward scan, moving from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Remain balanced, neither clinging to pleasant sensations, nor rejecting uncomfortable ones. Notice how every sensation arises, changes, and eventually passes. Then reverse the direction once more, moving from the soles of your feet back to the top of your head. Continue observing with calm awareness and equanimity. Move from top to bottom. Simply observe. Move from bottom to top. Stay aware. Move from top to bottom. Notice every sensation. Move from bottom to top. Do not react. Scan downward to your feet. Notice warmth and coolness. Reverse upward to your head. Notice subtle vibrations. Sweep downward through the body. Notice what arises. Follow the sensations upward. Notice what passes. Continue downward to your toes. Stay with the body. Return upward to your head. Stay fully present. Rest your attention on the whole body for a few moments. Allow your breathing to remain natural, and gently recognize the changing nature of every experience. Take a slow, gentle breath, and gradually become aware of the space around you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and remain still for a moment.